So students, here are your MCQ or objective type questions related to expressionist drama. Okay, important for exams, and you will have hardly 10 questions. All these are very important. So just focus on the answers. Here are the answers of all these questions. So the very first question is may be asked. There is a possibility of all these questions. This is why that I am here. Who is the father of expressionist drama? Who is the father? Okay, father of expressionist drama. So the answer will be Strindberg. August Strindberg is the father of expressionist drama. Strindberg. August. Got? Who coined? The next one is who coined the term expressionist theatre? It was Frank Wedekind, and of course it was also Strindberg. So both will be Frank Wedekind and Strindberg. Got? Wedekind. Third one is the expressionist drama is fill in the blank subjective. Expression. The expressionist drama is autobiographical or personal or subjective. Which drama is known as drama of soul? Very important question. Which drama? You will be given 4 options, and out of those 4 options you have to choose only the right one, and it will be expressionist drama. Expressionist drama is known as drama of soul. What is the aim? Fifth one is what is the aim of an expressionist drama? Aim, purpose, motive or objective of an expressionist drama? To express, as the name suggests, to express emotional, that is only to express emotional, is the aim of an expressionist drama. And this is why that it is subjective or it is autobiographical, because the main aim of these kinds of drama is to express feelings or emotions. Which one is a drama of social protest? Social protest, that is also expressionist drama. Which one is a drama of social protest? Expressionist drama. When did expressionism theatre start? Expressionism theatre starts in 1910. Okay, it was started in 1910. Next one is the expressionist drama had no concern with, then you will be given option. It has no concern. It is not concerned with what? The everyday life. The expressionist drama had no concern with the everyday life. What? Because it is subjective, because its main purpose is to express emotion. This is why that it is not related to the everyday life, what's going on there or here. What kind of play the Hairy Ape is? Very important play. What kind of play the Hairy Ape is? Expressionist. It is an expressionist drama. 10th one is who is the most popular expressionistic dramatist? George Kaiser. Most important writers. Expressionistic dramatist are George Kaiser, Ernest Toller. In which century did the expressionism develop? In 20th century. So all these are the important MCQ.